Hi, welcome to another new video, and today we are going to make a quick tutorial on Stripe account. So in this video we are going to create a new Stripe account. As you know, Stripe is a payment gateway method. So in your e-commerce website like Shopify, WordPress, Wix, any kind of platform, you can use Stripe as a payment method option. So now you need to be create an account in Stripe. So for that reason you need to be click on sign in button. Once you click on sign in, it will be redirect you to the login page. So if you don't have any account, just go here and click on create account button. And once you click on create account button, it will give you the opportunity to create a new account. Just type your email here and give your name here, and also provide a password for your security. My password will be this one, 123. So you can see my password need to be at least 10 characters. So make your password more strong for security purpose. So here I am giving some random name also. So my country will be United States, and I will check the option. And now my work has been done. I need to be click on create account button. Just click here and wait a bit, and you will get your result. So as you can see, our Stripe account has been confirmed, and we already opened our Stripe account. And right now they're asking for our business name. Right now I will click on the skip for now button. So my account has been completed, and now we are landed on our dashboard option. This is really easiest and simplest way to open a Stripe account. And also you need to be check your mail. You will find out your verify mail. So click on here and your Stripe account will be verified. So they are asking for password. So I will type my password again here, and you can see my account has been confirmed and verified. So this is the easiest way to create a Stripe account. I hope the video will help you, and if you find out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe.